15-213, State versus Dana Schermerbach, possession of methamphetamine.
Judge, we are in receipt as of this morning of some video from this stop. That's obviously going to be very important to the defense of this case. Neither me nor my client have been able to watch it yet. So
would you like to change the pretrial to July 21st?
that would be good, Your Honor.
Very well.
Thank you very much.
15-84, State versus Davon Reed, theft by receiving, driving an ATV on a public highway. Scheduled for revocation hearing today.
Your Honor, we have him on a reappear. What are you showing that as, Kerry?
It's on my docket, it's a reappear, but, I mean, Judge, these are, the allegation is failure to, I guess, comply with supervision. I mean, we can be ready to hear this. It's not.
He just bonded out of jail. Your Honor, Mr. Reed has just recently bonded out of jail. What I would ask the court, if the state desires a hearing, that we continued on our motion until next Thursday. And we can either work out a plea by that date, or we'll have a hearing next Thursday.
Judge, I'd like to go ahead and have a hearing. This matter has been set.
That's fine.
Revoked
That's
on
fine.
May 12th. I think this is something you could talk with, we can have a visit with the probation officer. This doesn't require anybody to do anything other than talk to.
We'll call it later and see where we stand.
That's fine. Your Honor, we only got appointed last week in
No,
this
that's
case.
not fair. I don't know what the deal is. I guess we entered this on May 12th time.
Well, how about to have a hearing next week?
Okay.
Okay. 12-100, State versus Tyler Garrus, delivery of methamphetamine was the original charge. Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Do you have a lawyer, sir?
No, sir, I was just given this court date yesterday.
I see.
But
Are
we
you-
believe this is a drug court referral. It probably needs to be placed on Judge Webb's docket.
Okay, let me look here. See what we got. There is petition to revoke. Are you, I may have asked you this, are you gonna make application to public defender? Or
I'm gonna hire a
You're gonna
lawyer.
hire a lawyer,
Yes, sir.
okay? You understand the allegations against you?
Yes, sir.
Are you entering plea of not true to these?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll enter that plea of true. Set you down for hearing on August 4th at 9:30 a.m.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
State versus Lloyd Emon, forgery, fraudulent use of credit card, 09-263, aggravated assault, battery, 10-77.
Your Honor, this is actually, I think, a contempt and not brought by the sheriff's office for non-payment on fines, cost, and also restitution. Mr. Etheridge and I talked about this case yesterday. The victim is Mr. Yateman's father. Mr. Yateman's father is deceased. What we talked about was providing proof to the prosecutor's office that Mr. Yateman Sr. had passed away, which we're in the process of doing. Having said all that, I don't think there's any further action to take today, Judge.
Your Honor, we'd like a hearing. This gentleman is also charged with not paying his fines, his costs. I don't know, does he pay those in full?
No.
Okay, well, then we'd like a hearing at 1 o'clock. And we'd also like to say, you know, just because this gentleman's father died being a victim of this man, that doesn't mean he doesn't have to pay that money. And I don't know where that rule came from. So we'd like to have a hearing at 1 o'clock, Judge.
Very well.
We'll have a hearing.
16-223, State versus Charles Rouse, illegal use of a communication device. 16-225, possession of methamphetamine and other drug-related charges. Good morning. Do you have a lawyer, sir?
I've been talking to one, sir.
Okay. In 16-225, do you understand the charges against you?
Yes, sir.
Are you entering a plea of not guilty to
Yes,
these
sir.
charges? Very well. In 16-223, You understand the charge against you?
Yes, sir.
Are you in a plea of not guilty?
Yes, sir.
Reappear in this court at 10:00 a.m. on July 21st for attorney status.
Yes, sir.